Hello everyone, welcome to our channel How Logical. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Robinhood wallet app on your iOS device. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First and foremost, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your app store and search Robinhood. Once you hit the search button, you'll see this app named Robinhood Wallet. Simply click on it and hit the download button. It might take a few while until this app gets downloaded on your system, so please have patience. Now you can see this app is already downloaded. Just click the open button and click get started to get started for this app. You can either create a new wallet or import your existing wallet. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.